Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to know how to learn app development. Yes, with the help of ChatGPT, I'm going to sharing this ideology to begin with app developments. Before, if you are watching first time this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe and support. Let's begin the session. With the help of ChatGPT is an open source AI tool. So let's see how to learn app development. Let's see how ChatGPT is also suggesting a few ideology like a begin to start to make an expert in app development. So ChatGPT is here thinking about it, what the best resolution and solution steps to provide the users. See, learning app development is a challenging process. Some steps you can take in care to get started with begin with. So in ideology, apps, in mobile apps and desktop apps, many of the apps are there. Which area you are going to focusing is the first decision you have to take. So choose a platform, decide whether you are going to develop some apps with the popular iOS apps, Android apps, or web-based apps which you are going to be making professionally. You are focusing, and choosing a programming language which you want to make sure to comfortable. If you already know, you begin with and start it, or else you need to initiate from the programming language like a Swift or Objective-C. Android development need to learn like a Java or Kotlin, such a programming languages, and learn the basic programming language for like a new to programming, where you have to start like a basics, like a fundamentals is essential, like variables, loop statements, conditional statements, and many more. For all these, you have online resources are there, blogs are there, and YouTube resources are freely available to learn and start and apply. By learning these things, you need to practice more and more and take an app development course. Yes, many of the online platforms are there nowadays to make sure to understand the video lectures and take the course online and learn in your own way and your time to ensure that get in a hands-on experience. Practice, as I said practice is essential for application development or any coding languages. Whenever you are learning some skills you are adding to your career, yes, that to be very requiredly essential for learning. But simply I can say that making practice more perfect on you, like that features you will get in a good idea. And join like a developer community. This is a very essential which you will be known like latest trends, latest skills, and what the real-time challenges and how their experience they are sharing in a way you will be learn here. So join like any of social media communities such as GitHub, Stack Overflow, or any other. Remember, learning app development takes time and patience, and it's require practice. So trying new things, add on the latest features what you are seeing and getting in the industry of app development area. So by learning such a great new skills, definitely you will be inside with the huge packages. If you feel this video lecture is having good points and you learn something, please do subscribe and support us. Thank you.